Use one word to describe New York City subway. What would that be? Crowded? Every day 2 million people use the subway. Dynamic? New Yorkers, people with no home in the city, artists, small business owners, they manage to find their own places underground this concrete jungle. Or maybe annoying is a better word to describe it. The delay, heat in the summer, awful smell, and of course, violence and death. The increasing crime and violence in New York City subway after COVID-19 has foreseen an immorality in the city and significantly impacted public mental health, inducing the pandemic feeling of anxiety and phobia among subway commuters. Current responses focused on improving public safety. Limited resources have been put on mental health intervention. This is what I'm trying to work out this summer in NYU Tandon's undergraduate summer research program. My name is Yunyi Wang, and I'm an undergrad summer research assistant here at NYU's Immersive Computing Lab. With my supervisor, Professor Sun, and mentor Steven Yoo, we are working on a potential solution to make subway commute a better experience. We present Arts Under New York City, an AR mobile application that allows users to watch, share, and interact with live music performances at NYC subway in a hybrid social networking environment. With this app, you can find live music performances on your smartphone and play with it using your own creativity. My project includes literature review, design thinking, and critical evaluation. I've also done survey, semi-structured interview, and user observation, as well as second-hand research. For the literature review part, I closely examined literature in the intersection of AR, public mental health, and art therapy to gain a solid theoretical foundation. Then I did some comparative research on other AR music visualization applications and music therapy interventions to hone my design principles. Since the project is a user-centered design, it is important to know who we are designing for and what are their pinpoints and needs. After a 3-month user observation in actual subway settings and analyzing a survey filled out by 68 participants with 18 randomized semi-structured interviews in 3 different subway stations, I narrowed down my target users into 18 to 30-year-old female and non-binary subway riders who are new to New York City. I developed 3 user personas, storyboard, and user journey to better illustrate the application scenario, with users extended to not only subway riders, but also artists active in subway performances. Then, for user interface design, I went through the process of wireframing, sketching flowcharts, and high-fidelity prototype in Figma. After that, I developed a simple AR demo prototype in Unity. I used this prototype as a minimal viable product to do a pre-test as well as a usability test with 12 users. The results we got from usability tests answer that why AR is the best solution to the public mental health. According to our semi-structured interview and survey, 90% of interviewees claim that when in annoying situations like weird people and delay of train, the best way is to ignore it and do something else, like going on their phones, reading books, or listening to music. 6 interviewees point out specifically that they feel comfortable being in another reality, especially when they are in an undesirable scenario. 95% of users experience a better emotional status after using our AI application, which creates another reality while keeping access to the real world, providing a sense of trust and comfort. We conclude that AR is an efficient medium to leverage the public art resources, especially the music performances, into a social therapy of public mental health. We propose this AR intervention as a potential solution to mitigate anxiety, distrust, and phobias around commuting by New York City subway. Next step, we'll be working on beta prototype and run more A/B testing to refine the functions and features. Thank you for watching.